3x double dot plus 12x dot plus 9x equal to 0, and initial conditions is 1 and minus 1. Okay. So what's the difference between the two? Okay, the mass and damping constant, the everything changed a little bit. Okay, but anyhow, the characteristic equations is 3p squared plus 12p plus 9 equal to 0. Okay, so from here we plug in p equal to qa and minus b plus, I'm very silly. I will simplify this one more time. So this one is p squared plus 4p plus 3 equal to 0. Okay. And so if you can factorize, basically this is equivalent to p plus 1, p plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so from here p equal to minus 1 and minus 3. So that is the characteristic root. So both the roots are real. So from here we definitely for sure this is either these are overdamping, because the overdamping they have the different numbers. Okay, so therefore from the overdamping then we know the patterns is this, and we assume in the very beginning the x of t equal to exponents pt. So the combination of the two terms, exponent minus t and exponent minus 3t, we in the linear combination c1 plus c2. Okay, and then solving c1 and c2 from the initial conditions, and again here we prepare for this. This one is minus c1 minus 3c2. Okay, so from here 1 equal to x0, and that is c1 plus c2, and minus 1 equal to x dot 0 equal to minus c1 minus 3c2. So from both here, you should be able to solve for c1 c2 equal to c1 equal to 1, c2 equal to 0. Okay, so therefore from here for this example we have the response is simply equal to exponent minus t. That's it. So this one basically exponential decay, no oscillations. Okay, and the last one you probably can imagine that would be quick weekend.